Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter G. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर G का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter G. लेटर G पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! The sound of letter G is G. 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 Letter G की आवाज है G. 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 Now trace the letter with pencil. अब आप G पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. We will read keywords from letter G. हम G से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. G. Grapes. G. Girl. G. Gate. G. Goat. G. Grapes. G. Girl. G. Gate. G. Goat. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. G letter, glue, glue, glue.
G letter, glue, glue, glue.
G letter, give me some clue.
G letter, give me some clue.
Now circle the letter G in the given letters. इन letters में G के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Connect goat to the calf with the help of line. Connect duck to the ducklings with the help of lines. Connect gate to the house with the help of lines. Shabash. Dear teachers, ask children to name G words. Introduce letter G with phonic song. Help children to make a story with the help of given pictures. Help children to make letter G pictorial vocabulary booklet in class. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat words like gift, grapes, glue, grandfather, girl, goat, gorilla, gas, and gum. Tell the health benefits of eating grapes.